I started my first business, I realized the impact of surrounding people with high-performing mentors. If you're looking to accomplish something you've never done before, would you agree that it would be easier to do it if someone who's already actually accomplished it could show you exactly how they did it? Could you move faster to your stated result if you watched and learned from someone who did it? What if they actually taught you exactly how they did it? The answer to each of those questions is undoubtedly yes. In this journey towards success, having mentors who have achieved what you aspire to do have actually done it, and they can show you how they did it. This actually is how you move faster across the bridge. Your steps, one step at a time, can become a sprint. Because see, they already have the confidence. They already have the roadmap. They've already done it. They've already built a bridge. They're just going to show you how they did it. Their guidance and support can make your path easier and faster and more structurally sound, because they've already created and made the mistakes that you won't have to make. When I started my first business, I realized the impact of surrounding people with high-performing mentors. You see, my professional would generate $300,000 or $400,000 a year, and they would think they're overworked and tapped out. But when I introduced high-performing professionals, especially the younger ones that we trained that didn't have false beliefs, that could do $1 million a year, everyone exploded in what's possible. It shattered the old beliefs and boosted everyone's productivity. When attempting something you've never done before, it's common for your mind to immediately focus on the reasons why something can't be done. Doubt, reservations, self-limiting words, self-limiting conversations, self-limiting rationalizations. All these things just keep cropping up. Even people you surround yourself with will bring all their negative thoughts and broken beliefs to convince you that it can't be done. Everyone justifying and rationalizing mediocrity, trying to normalize mediocrity. Think about it. It's crazy. This is why you, the leader, needs a mentor. A mentor is like having a trusted advisor, a trusted guide, someone who has walked the path you want to take. They've faced the challenges, the obstacles, they've experienced the setbacks, the failures, and they've tasted the sweet victory of it, actually attaining their goals. It means you don't have to reinvent the wheel or stumble through the darkness, because you can actually see that what you want to accomplish has already been done. It's a game, and we learned it as little kids. It's so simple. Follow the leader. And in this case, that leader is leading you to your vision of a 9-figure net worth. How will you find and attract these mentors in your life? That was my question for me. You know, sadly, when I look back in time, I actually had some of them because I wasn't focused on looking for them. I missed them. You need to know what you're looking for. Then determine the qualities you seek in a mentor. Look for individuals who've actually achieved the aspects of success that aligns with your goals. Don't just assume because somebody says they've been successful that they've actually been successful. You have to do your homework. Study their actual body of work, such as books they've written, or speeches they've given, or social media posts, or YouTube videos. For me, my initial mentors weren't people I actually knew. They were people I read. They were people I studied. They were people I watched. They were people that were examples. Sometimes you got to dig deep to find out how to follow what they teach and preach and do. That's on you. Research is critically important to making good decisions about who to follow. It's essential to study your mentor's body of work and align key points of your goals. And I will tell you, sometimes you need 2 or 3 mentors that have done a little bit different things and put into their mentorship into one thing that you want to do, okay? Analyze their strategies, their mindset, their decision-making processes. Emulate their successful practices while adopting and adapting them into your unique circumstances. Attend workshops or seminars where that potential mentor is speaking. Observe their style, their body language, their approach, their impact, and watch what the audience is learning. Pay attention to what other people are paying attention to. Because one day you're going to be on that stage and you're going to want to know what it feels like for other people to observe you. Be in tune. Vibrationally connect not only with the words and what you see, but what's happening around you. Then connect with others who've been mentored by them to gain insights into their actual effectiveness. Reach out to potential mentors. Don't be shy. Who cares? Worst thing is they're busy. Be respectful, genuine, and specific about what you admire in their work and what you, most importantly, really want to learn from them. Now, if you've done your homework, explain how their expertise aligns with your goals and express your eagerness to learn from them. Take consistent action on the insights and knowledge gained from your mentor. Apply their teachings to your business and your life and your personal development and your results. Continuously refine your approach, incorporating what resonates with you and what allows you to find those results that will drive you to your vision. And remember, mentorship is a two-way street. Show your dedication, your commitment, and your gratitude to what you've learned from your mentor. Most importantly, share the results and the impact of what you took from them and applied and achieved. Respect your mentor's time. Most importantly, their advice. Never argue with a mentor. And apply the lessons they teach you and then share those results. A mentor-mentee relationship is built on trust and mutual respect. And when nurtured, it can become a lifelong bond. My mentors became my friends and an extension of my family. By identifying the right mentors who have achieved the success you desire, studying their body of work, actualizing and realizing and amplifying their message, becoming an example to what they teach and preach and do. By doing this, you'll attract them into your life. You can accelerate your journey towards your goals, but you can also publish documents, create videos, and do classes. They do it because they want to know there's an impact. The more you can share that impact and the results and what you learned and how you applied it, the higher quality of mentor you will attract in your life. Always give credit to the people that impacted your life, because the people that you're impacting their life will always then give you credit. A little free tip: become a mentor after you've learned to follow a mentor.